Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another styling session video with a ready-to-wear reveal unboxing from the Chanel 25K collection. So without further ado, here's the item. Let's get into it. This is one that actually I was gonna get something else, but then when I went into the store and tried on a version of this, I was like, oop, I think I need to switch what I'm picking out. So let me show you. This over here. Oh my gosh, look at it. So if you know this piece, it walked down the runway for 25K. It was twins, sisters, walking down the runway. So one was beige and one was black, and they're just the cutest little twin set situation. So the buttons here are little bows with CCs. So cute, and they go all down the front. Then there's like, it's two pockets, it's very classic, but then here there's kind of like it's a flap, but it's sort of like optical illusion where it looks like you're wearing layers, but it's actually just one layer. So it kind of looks like you have a cardigan over, like it looks like a twin set almost. And it doesn't unbutton all the way down. It buttons down to this line. So like, I think visually it's supposed to look like this is a cardigan and then this is like a longer piece underneath. But it's a really pretty kind of optical illusion. And then I just think this color is a really nice kind of like oatmeal-y beige. So the black version is just like this, only all the parts that are black are beige. So it's kind of like Uno reversoed. So I took this in a size 40. Here's the tag info. But let me try this on for you and then we can kind of chat through different ways to style or wear this piece. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the top on, and I feel like you can tell why I picked the beige for this, just because like it's this really nice warm tan color. I just feel like it looked so much better on me more alive than in black. I'm just trying to adjust. This is like my first time trying to wear it open. I feel like you could kind of style it, I don't know, like it, or if you have like a lacy top underneath, you might be able to undo one more button. Okay, now I'm gonna really risk it all, risk demonetization. But like, I don't know, I kind of feel like there's like the sexy librarian aspect. I mean, I have the pencil hair clip in still, so that would be like one way to style it. I just have black jeans on, but I also feel like with dress pants, work pants, different things like that, it's definitely not unbuttoned like this. This is more like after hours. But even just like unbuttoned a little for like a more casual look, I think it's really cute. You can also go full princess, full prissy princess with it, buttoning all the way up to the top. And I just think it's like, you see how like the double belt kind of does like this little illusion line? Like it's so cute. I think with regular jeans, with black jeans, like, and this is kind of one of those pieces where you can transition it, I think, into spring, kind of dressing it lighter, fresher, or you could do it more wintry. Right now, like with this outfit, I feel like this is such a vibe, like, right? It's like, I'm a serious businesswoman, I'm working, I'm running around town, but I'm still a little whimsical. It could also, you can go more girly with it, like the little bow bags that they made. In fact, I have this little bow here. This was like a Chanel giftie, this little tweed one. But this could be like, or with like a little short or tights or something like that. So this is the first way that I would kind of style this top. I guess those were two different ways because one's unbuttoned and then the other one's buttoned, like a little bit more dressier, cutesier. But there's one more look I want to show you. And it's that I made kind of a controversial decision. Sorry, I can talk. Instead of going for the matching skirt, I kind of did a little color block situation. Part of this was because Originally, I had planned to do all black, but then I just felt like the black when I had it on, it was just a little heavy for me. We've gone through this about how I'm a warm autumn in denial. But I really think I am, like just the black, it was just like a little bit heavy. And I have a few like black Chanel sweaters, like I have a black Chanel sweater set. It didn't feel like a real need or something so different, whereas this felt really fresh for me. But I tried on the top, actually tried it on a 38, so it was quite small, but tried on the beige top with the black skirt, and it's kind of like this color blocking effect that I actually think is really flattering for me because I'm sort of pear-shaped where I'm bigger on the bottom and than I am on top. So I feel like visually being lighter on top, darker on bottom kind of creates more balance. But let me know what you think. I could still get also the black top. I don't think I need the beige skirt. But I feel like with the black skirt, this sort of color blocking thing is like super flattering. Whereas when it was all black, the band at the bottom, this band was white. So it was kind of like a big line going across versus, I don't know, I feel like this is more at the smallest part of my waist. So it's more, creates a better visual trick of the eye, if that makes sense. Let me know what you think though. But this is basically the other way I would style it. I love sets from Chanel and I love wearing them as sets. So the top I'll definitely get use out of because I will wear it with jeans. Like I had the dark denim. I could also wear it with dress pants for work. I think it's like a really easy dress up, dress down kind of like cute sweater. Almost like, you can almost even do this for like a really casual holiday sort of event for work. And then the skirt is just an easy answer. I don't know if I would ever wear the skirt just on its own. Maybe with like a black bodysuit and like throw this over my shoulders when it gets warmer and to transition into spring. I could see that. That actually would be pretty cute. So anyway, this is my little ready to wear unboxing, try on mini styling session. It's not like I have a million ideas for these things. You know, you can keep layering jackets and, oh, this is like going to be really cute with like a little trench coat over it too. Okay, well, I guess maybe I could keep doing different ideas. A little heart bag, bows and hearts. I mean, we're living our version-y VR dreams right now. And no one can tell me that this wasn't her. Okay. Anyway, or something like, ooh, okay. I hope you all enjoyed this styling session. Let me know what you think of the color blocking, something different, you know, make it your own style. In 5 years, nobody will remember what exactly was the runway look versus what you created yourself. Only you will, or maybe you will, but it will still be fun. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're all having a great day and I will see you in my next one. Okay.